everyone, it's Miral Farheen over here, and today we are discussing 10 benefits of Australian PR. Australia is ranked as number 8 in quality of living. And if you are looking to work and live in Australia, then the best option for you is getting Australia PR. Although it's very difficult to get PR in some cases, but you can do it easily by the right guidance and having a complete documentation. Some people often confuse Australian PR with a citizenship, but these are totally different terms. So in this video, we will discuss what is Australian PR and what are the benefits associated with it. You can get Australian permanent residency by applying for it. If you are eligible and you meet all the requirements by government, then you can apply for the Australian PR. By getting Australian PR, you can work, you can live, you can study without any expiration date to it. As a permanent resident holder of Australia, you can enjoy several benefits. Let's have a look into it. Number one is staying in Australia. One of the significant benefits is that you can stay in Australia as long as you want without any visa expiration date. Skilled immigration or skilled workers are more likely to get PR because they are contributing in economy. The second point is work and study in Australia. As we all know that for working in Australia, we require an employer-sponsored visa. Or if we want to study in Australia, we require a student visa. But as an Australian permanent resident, you can avail both services without any permit. The third point is one of the most important points for some of the people because it is Medcare program by Australian government, as it is to facilitate the Australian nationals and PR holders. In this scheme, you can avail the healthcare services at low or no cost. The fourth point in this discussion is real estate and loans. As we all know that buying land is the best form of saving money or to invest money. So as an Australian PR holder, you will be eligible to invest in a land or buy a land. If you are not a PR holder, you might require to fill a lot of additional things, like a lot of additional documents. But if you are a PR holder, you can easily invest and buy a land. On the other hand, you can also easily get bank loans on this PR holdership. The fifth point is sponsoring your relatives for PR. Who doesn't want to bring their loved ones with them? So, if you are an Australian PR holder, you can sponsor your relatives for permanent residence also. So, you can sponsor your parents, your child, your immediate family, your aunt, your uncle, your grandparents, even your wife with you. But for this, you need to be 18 years or older to proceed with the process of PR for your relatives. The sixth point is applying for citizenship in Australia. As a PR holder of Australia, you can apply for their citizenship if you meet the certain eligibility requirements. The main requirements of Australia citizenship are: number one requirement is that you must be living in Australia on PR for at least 12 months and your absence period has to be less than 90 days. The second point is that you must have a very good character. The third point is that you should be aware of what your responsibilities and rights are as an Australian PR holder and a citizen. And the last point is that you are intended to reside in Australia or preserve a connection with Australia. The seventh point is traveling rights. You can travel to and from Australia for 5 years after receiving your first permanent visa, but your privilege expires after 5 years. So, you must apply or be granted Australian citizenship to continue your travel to Australia. Eighth point is free language courses. Another benefit for Australian PR holder is that they can avail these services through Adult Migrant English Program AMEP. This program serves as a help to migrants and PR holders to improve their English language skills. The second last point is Centrelink. Australian PR holders have access to the Centrelink. Now the point is, what is Centrelink? Centrelink is basically a financial support for unemployed Australian PR holders and citizens. It helps them with raising children, caring someone with disabilities, providing them with the expenses of childcare, healthcare, and education. The 10th and the last point is working rights in New Zealand. An Australian PR holder has all the rights to work and stay in New Zealand for indefinite period. They are exempted from submitting any permit or documentation for this. So let's conclude this video. Therefore, Australian PR has numerous benefits that adds up to the quality of life, and the freedom of working and living in New Zealand is a cherry for Australian PR. So, if you are considering PR, now is the perfect time to take action. Please contact the Migration for expert guidance and support. If you want more videos like this, do subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.